Are you tired of wasting hours sending cold emails to people that don't actually need you? Or endlessly scrolling on LinkedIn in the hopes to find somebody that needs a video editor? You see, that used to be me. Now, what if you could type one sentence and instantly get a list of people who actually want your services? A list of real business owners and marketing managers who are actively looking for content. It almost sounds too good to be true, but that is exactly what I've been doing with Lessie AI. So stick around, I'll show you exactly how it works and how it changed my career as a freelancer. Because now I spend less time looking and more time actively engaged with potential clients. As a freelancer, whether you're a voiceover artist, a video editor, a producer, a sound person, a copywriter, a designer, the biggest challenge isn't our skill level, it's always finding the people who actually want our service at that time. And Lessie AI is an AI agent that does all of that hard work for you. It scans the web and finds highly targeted leads based on your exact goals, whether it be a marketing manager at a tech firm, local businesses investing in video ads, or YouTubers who you want to promote your products, YouTubers looking for an editor, startup, the list goes on and on and on. And it doesn't just give you random names. In my case, it would give me people who are actively interested in short form content, YouTube editing, video ads, so it's purely targeted to what you're after and what you do. So let's jump into it and show you how simple it is. I'm going to sign in, and given my life as a freelancer, a YouTuber, a video editor, producer, and content creator, rather than guessing who to reach out to, I'm going to use a realistic prompt. Now, the more detail we give the prompt here in Lessie AI, the better results you get. And as you can see, it's your people search agent. So this is going to be my prompt. Find me 150 marketing managers and business owners based in London and the UK who are actively investing in video production, short form ads, or content creation for their business or brand. Focus on people with active LinkedIn profiles and Instagram profiles who have recently posted about marketing, advertising, or growing their social media presence. So I'm letting it know how many people I want, exactly what I can deliver in essence, and how I want to target certain people who are active in the industry. I don't want to target people who aren't active. I then select find. And watch this, this is the results. You can see already after letting it load up, I've got 150 fully matched people and leads who might be interested in my services. So what you can see on the link is that it connects me to all of their social media profiles. Of course, with work, the best one is going to be LinkedIn. And Lessie AI will directly take me to the likes of the person to LinkedIn. I can also see a bit about them. I can see their location, what they're interested in, how they're active, their role in the company they're at. And also, if I scroll all the way across, what you can see is their title. I can add them to a list, so I can start building up a list of people who I'd like to and believe will be interested in my service. Possibly I'd like to contact them all across here. So how do you go around contacting them? This is the most interesting feature. So what you can do, once you've got that list of people who are fully matched to your potential clientele, you can see all of them, all 150 of them right here. You can actually unlock their emails. So on the right hand side, you're seeing the email section. I can select search, and I'm going to go down the list here of everybody who was on my list. I'm going to do 10 people, and I unlock those emails for credits. Then what I can do is, now I have access to their emails, I can select at the very top left, compose email. I think this feature is genius. So compose email, and I'm going to select that I would like to use it for the people who are unlocked at the moment. So all the emails I've unlocked, I select the unlocked only send email tab, email compose, and it automatically gets everybody's email who I've unlocked whose email was available into this individual send section, where I can now create personalized emails offering my services utilizing AI. So at the bottom right here, I can select AI compose, tell AI what to write, a potential client for video editing services. And of course, you would be very specific with whatever it is that you do, but then I can select generate. It would then create a pitch. I could tailor it to the individuals, their names, their roles, their positions, by simply telling the AI everything that they do. And then I can simply hit send, or for example, I could do a group email if I wanted to have a more general approach. Now, if I close this down for the moment, and then what I can do is I can export this entire data set. Now, data is so valuable in the modern day. I've got a whole host of it right here, and I can select export at the very top, and then I can select to export and download this as a spreadsheet, and I'll have that forever now with all of the people, their names, their roles, their emails, like the full package. And also in the future, whenever I'm looking as a video editor to offer my services again, I have this entire data set available, ready to go and ready to use. And here is that Excel spreadsheet with everything fully expanded out. Now I can see all of the links, their emails, their company headline interest is fantastic. Now for me, what makes this a super powerful tool and useful tool is the fact that it gives you a reasoning column within the interest section. Not only do I have random data and emails and names, but I have what they're specifically focused on and what their potential interests are, allowing me to target my emails even more specifically and ultimately generate more income and clients over the long term, because the more specific you are, the more you know. As a freelance video editor, you always get more clients, and I believe this can be applied to any field out there. For example, this gentleman here is the co-founder of a We Are Crack, a performance marketing agency that explicitly offers data-informed creative and multiple channel campaigns across TikTok, and Meta. That is a perfect lead for me to get in contact with, because as an agency owner, you never quite know what the future may hold for them and when they might require an in-house video editor. Now let's move on to a completely different use case. The previous one was all about freelance video editing like myself, but let's say you're looking to find people. Maybe you have a talent agency or you work as a small business owner and you're looking to find the right people for the right job or role. So how do you recruit freelancers or talent? Well, Lessie AI is a great place to start. It allows you to hire specialists fast. So this time my prompt is going to be find 80 experienced video editors and motion designers in the UK who are freelance, have strong portfolios on Instagram or Behance, and have recently posted about looking for new clients or collaborations. So this right now is showing you the completely other side of the spectrum. Previously, I was the freelancer looking to be hired. Now, for example, I am the business owner or agency owner looking to hire the talent. Now, while we are focusing on video editors, this can be applied to literally anyone out there in any sector or any field. That is the beauty of it. Okay, so now the results are in and we can see there's pulled real freelancers who have verified contact information. We can see all of their links to their stuff on the left-hand side here. So Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, or X as well. We can also see their location, which is a great thing, same as before. And then over on their position, we can see where there might be a freelancer ad if they're a video editor, what they've done in the past, because I can link straight to their documentaries, for example, that they've done before, or their LinkedIn profile. And once again, as I requested, I can see their portfolio now. So for example, I'm taking a look at some of the fully matched people here. I can select their portfolio, which is their Instagram, and then I can click on it. It takes me directly to their page where I can see all of their work. And just like that, they found me a high quality video editor, and I can browse their portfolio and their work, which is exceptionally good. Right, so let's move on to example number 3. In this case, my prompt is going to be find 100 startup founders and marketing experts in Europe who have recently launched a product or raised funding and are active on LinkedIn. Prioritize those who have appeared on other podcasts or posted about wanting to share their story. I select find, and just like that, the results have come up with verified emails and LinkedIn links, plus, and also it gives me reasoning around their likelihood of their recent and also it gives me reasons like their recent capital raises, thus indicating they're a perfect match for me. There's also mentions of wanting to discuss growth, and ultimately this is another example of delivering me the perfect warm leads for whatever my position. So I've been using Lessie AI over the last few months, and my results have improved exponentially. I save time, I have warmer leads. So if you're ready to stop guessing and find real clients this week, then check out Lessie AI in the description down below. There is a specific link dedicated to us, so you can try it out and get started with some free credits. Thank you very much then for sponsoring today's video. And of course, as a freelancer, if you're a freelancer, join my channel, subscribe down below, leave a like, and we can go on this journey together. Thank you.